Bright and early next morning, you get right back to me.
Crazy.
I've never seen it this big, man. It's huge.
Maybe we could go over that side, or we can't get over there.
Won't let you, I don't think. Fuck, you should see this truck coming down the road. Oh my god, father.
I need to get up on the steps.
That's what I was thinking. Can't even get down there. Packed down there, look what there's here.
Oh, look at the doggies. Oh my gosh. We got pink poodles.
You can upload all this on the what's name? Oh, the pink poodle dog. That's a big poodle, man.
Oh my gosh.
What a
The
sick
size of
truck. That is unreal. Jesus Christ, that's a Daniel's truck.
Far out. That's just crazy.
That thing is just mental, isn't it?
I like radio.
Pretty much skidding over the water.
My son's show with his daughter. She's just like
Oh, now it's going to start sprinkling.
I see next weekend, kids are free.